Hi, let's talk about planners. I have been an Erin Condren planner for almost 4 years now, but I am changing things up for 2019. New year, new planner, new mom. So I've decided to jump into the Emily Ley Simplified Planner world, and I want to unbox all the things I just bought and show you what I'm working with in 2019. Plus, stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to tell you how you can win your own simplified planner. Hi, my name is Trina if you are new here, and on this channel, I'm bringing you along my journey to simplify and organize motherhood. Because let's be real, being a mom is #surviving. So one of the things I do to keep everything organized as a mom and a business owner is use a planner. Now, as I said at the beginning, I was on the Erin Condren train for so long, I decided to jump ship and train, whatever. I decided to jump ship and jump into the Emily Ley Simplified Planner world. So I bought a bunch of stuff, and I bought some extra stuff to share with you all as well. And so I want to kind of show you me unboxing everything. I don't do a lot of unboxing videos here. This is me just getting back into this personal channel. And so let me show you what I got, and then I'm going to tell you how you could win a Emily Ley Simplified Planner and a Laura Casey Cultivate What Matters Power Sheet, because these are my two things I'm going to be using in 2019 to really simplify and organize, and what I'm going to be sharing here on this channel. So the first thing I got was a bundle. It was some type of bundle, and it came with a pen. We'll always love a good pen, right? And this pen, I have not tested it out yet, but it is a gold and white little polka dotted pen. We'll see if we can get that to zoom in. Oh yeah, nice, huh? I also got some washi tape. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use these. I'm not a huge paper planner. I just basically scribble things down. But I'm thinking using this washi tape, I could maybe figure some things out. I wanna bring you guys along as I figure this out because I don't spend time on planners, but we'll see what this year brings. And I thought this was pretty cool, fun to get started with. I always need to hold my page in my planner. So I got these little gummy things. I'm gonna go ahead and open these. So there's a pink one and a teal one. It's basically like a gummy stretch band to hold your place in your planner. I also got these paper clips because #doitforthegram. I was gonna lay these out on my desk or on a table and take some flat lays with these pineapple paper clips. I also got this bookmark because it came in the pack. And then the pineapple notebook because we always need a good notebook. I like to just scribble ideas in here, or if a script idea pops into my head, I like to use that. And then I bought these colored dot stickers because Emily Ley has a lot of information on how to color code everything in your life. And I feel like if everything is color coded in my life, maybe organization and simplification might happen in return. So I'm gonna try a lot of her teachings on her website this year. So now let's just jump into the actual planners. Like I said, I bought one of each. I actually bought a couple of each so I could give away to you guys. But I bought the weekly planner and also the daily planner, which you can obviously see is a lot bigger. So let's go ahead and open the weekly planner first and then the daily planner. So it's all wrapped up in bubble wrap and everything. And if you win the giveaway, everything is all wrapped up. I have not opened anything. Only this one I opened. It is the weekly planner. I did open one of these so I could show you guys what this looks like. So it comes in this box and has this little pull tab. Everything's very nicely wrapped up. I'll make sure yours is wrapped up as well if you win this one. And so this guy's a lot smaller than, say, my Erin Condren planner and also the daily because there's less pages. I'm loving the little gold tabs, and it just kind of actually fits your hand pretty nice. I'm gonna do a whole video and a walk through these, so if you want to watch that, be on the lookout for that, or the video might already be up. It has a lot of pages for notes here in the back. I always love a place to write notes, like that notebook that I got. But this is basically the size of the weekly. Then you have the daily, which is a lot bigger and a lot heavier because I think everything is broken out in a daily page. So with this one, again, you're gonna see what this actually looks like on the inside in another video that I have. It's got these ring binders. You can see the difference of the two sizes. Let's put these up together, maybe even. So you can really see, let me zoom in on this guy so you can actually see it. This is the weekly and the daily side by side. I am choosing the daily for 2019 just because you'll see in my video where I walk through this that there's a lot more space in this. I like to write a lot of things. I like to keep track of every single task that I have. And so that's why I decided to pick this one to use in 2019. Now, if you want to win one of these for yourself, here's what you get to do. All right, there's going to be a link down in the description box. Go to that link, and there's going to be a couple ways you can enter to win. From that page, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, this one right here, and get 3 entries to win. You can also watch my video that I posted last week. It'll be linked there as well. That's another 3 entries to win. And comment on that video as well. That's another 3 entries to win. And if you follow my new Instagram account where I'll be updating you on Simplify and organizing, so everything that does with this channel over on Instagram, that's another 3 entries to win. So you could have 12 entries to win your very own Simplify planner and power sheets, plus the Cultivate What Matters sticker book and pens. I don't have them on me right now, but the grand prize winner is going to get all of that. Plus there will be 3 other winners. I have 2 weekly simplified planners to give away and another daily simplified planner to give away. So such a big giveaway. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Go to that link below to follow all the rules on how to do that. And I can't wait to give these to you. The drawing will end December 14th so that I can make sure I get these out to you before the new year so you can do these planners along with me. I would love to know, are you a planner and which planner is your favorite? Again, I always love new planners. I love testing new things. So let me know down in the comments below what planner you use. Don't forget, I'm posting new videos on this channel every Saturday around noon Eastern Standard Time, so I hope I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye!